Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered what to do with your daily planner once the year is over? Today I'm going to show you how to take your planner for the year and turn the most important elements into a creative mini album you'll want to keep forever. So here's the issue. I have this fabulous cloth and paper planner, and by the end of the year, I don't know what to do with the paper. Honestly, for me, it's more than just daily appointments, meetings, children's schedules. I usually do a little bit of reflective journaling in this planner, and so those are the things that I want to keep. So this year I decided to be intentional about how I set up my planner journal. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. This is part 2 of a series I call Journaling for Personal Growth. The first video highlighted a specific journaling system that is placed directly into your daily planner, and it will allow you to reflect on your personal experiences throughout the week and year, catalog those experiences, and intentionally reflect on them daily and weekly. It's through carefully crafted journal inserts and questions that will allow you to grow into your best self and to be a better version of yourself and to grow deeper in your understanding of your purpose and who you were created to be. The first video shows how I used Cloth and Paper's planner system to incorporate the weekly reflection into your daily planner while allowing yourself to be a little bit creative, especially if you have a creative side. This minimalist planner will allow you to do that. After this video, check out my first video if you're interested in incorporating this system into your daily routine. I'm always wanting to challenge myself with projects that produce the most satisfaction and productivity with little waste. Here I am using the 49 and Market mini paper collection that has 4 12 by 12 sheets of paper and 2 pages of matching ephemera. This video will show you how I use all these sheets to make one mini album, 6 cards, and a 12 by 12 layout you can enjoy all year round. So let's get started. Here I take the journaling sheets I'm planning on keeping from the journal and mindfully measure out card sizes and mini album sheets that will be the framework for this keepsake. I'll use 3 sheets to make the cards and the inserts, and I'll put aside 1 sheet plus the title sheet from the pack to use on my layout page. As always, I like to pull some brads, enamel dots, solid colored cardstock for matting, and extra textured paper I have lying around to support the project. I won't tax you too much with details regarding the production of these projects, as I find they are quite self-explanatory. I didn't use any special scrapbooking techniques, just mostly cut and paste to allow the beginner scrapbooker an idea of what you can do without too much fuss. So what you'll see is more of a flip through and a general overview of what I did. So here we go.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough, that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now.
And as always, I make matching envelopes to match the cards that I'll be giving away throughout the year. If you're wondering how I made these perfectly rounded wax seals, click on the link above and that will take you to a video that will show you exactly how to make these seals. It's a scrapbook hack that you never ever thought of. So here's the completed mini album. Honestly, it wasn't that difficult to create because I kept it simple by using paper and matching ephemera. Here are the journaling pages that will eventually be inserted into the album once you're done your journaling for the year. This album is quite delicate, so I decided to use this thick plastic as an album cover to preserve the decorative elements. All I did was cut it to size and attach the album using these rings. You can pretty much use anything. I'll probably use some ribbon after the album is complete to cover up the rings a bit. Between the reflective journaling pages, I inserted scrapbook pages with frames so that I can add photos throughout the year. What a beautiful album this will be, because it not only has your personal reflections that were cataloged throughout the year, but it actually has pictures of moments that you want to look back on. Doing this album to completion at the beginning of the year I found was so much fun because it allows you to see the finished product and it gives you an idea of how to plan to complete it throughout the year. That's why I love Recollection's repositional adhesive. You can add the creative elements at the beginning and then later when you finalize the project by adding pictures or more journaling, you can use the permanent adhesive. I really hope you enjoyed this flip through and the productivity that came from using only a mini paper pack, as well as the idea of turning your daily planner into a mini album. If you enjoy making projects that have major impact with very minimal waste because you're using all the elements and all the paper, then click on the next few videos because these ones are pretty much the same idea. Minimal waste, but maximum productivity. Take care and we'll see you soon. Bye.